world divides us, yet we are connected more than ever through technology. Disasters strike and millions are aware within minutes. Action is taken across the world. We are unified. We make change. Something happens, we react.
I'm Corinne, and this is React News. Today we'll be telling you about Peace One Day, the day of global ceasefires and positive energy, and what our local high school did to celebrate it. Peace One Day began in 1981 as the International Day of Peace, founded by the United Nations as a day to immortalize the idea of peace and the lives lost due to the absence thereof. It was legitimized, however, in 2001 when the Secretary General, thanks to encouragement by actor and filmmaker Jeremy Gilley, declared it a day of global ceasefires, when humanitarian aid can be brought to those in need. Since then, this unique day has spread across the world, even to the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Afghanistan, where there was a 70% recorded reduction in violent incidents on Peace One Day 2008. The idea of Peace One Day is to institutionalize peace, so that the idea of global peace will never fade. It has already reached out to 1.5 billion people, and it grows more each year. At White Plains High School, students from Mr. Roma's and Mrs. Brown's Human Rights classes teamed up with the Human Rights Club to launch a lunchtime celebration on our front lawn. Members of our Songwriters Club held a concert with peace-themed music like Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Girl on Fire, and Peace. Over half our school of 2,000 showed up wearing white, and the event concluded with a giant peace sign made up of all the students and staff of White Plains High School, standing in solidarity and honoring those lives that have been lost and are being lost in violent conflict, and all those who dedicate their lives to being the change that our world needs, for a more peaceful world to come. On Friday, White Plains High School understood one thing. We are a generation empowered through education and through technology in ways that no other before us has been. And movements like this are proof that we have the power to create peace, to change the world. This is incredible. If you want to find out more about the global movement known as Peace One Day and find out how you can get involved in making a difference, check out peaceoneday.org. Thanks for watching React News. Tune in next time for more.
Let me hear White Plains! I am going to ask you to do something that has never been attempted before.
Welcome to the second annual Peace One Day.
And we are at 12 o'clock-ish going to make a human peace sign right here where the peace sign is.
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Peace today is a belief. It's something that no one has the power to destroy. I believe in it. And in more than anything, I believe in us, because we will be the generation that makes peace.
And remember, be nice to each other every day.